Hello students, welcome to our channel Fearless Maths class. Today's topic is area of triangle by Heron's formula. This is standard 9. Today I discuss about the Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? I just take a triangle like this. This is a scaling triangle. The length of this side is A centimeter, this is B centimeter, and this is C 3 centimeter. Okay, I just take a triangle whose side is A centimeter, B centimeter, and C centimeter. Sorry, this is C centimeter. Okay, now I just find the area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula. Heron is a great mathematician. Okay, just the great mathematician. This is the get the result from by the great mathematician's formula. This is Heron's formula. Just I take find the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle is the addition of three sides. The perimeter of any figure, just you addition of the, you just take quadrilaterals. The perimeter is addition of four sides. You take triangle, the perimeter is addition of three sides. You take pentagon, the perimeter is addition of five sides. What is the meaning of perimeter? The bounded line which the make this figure. This is called the perimeter. The total length of the bounded figure or line also. Okay. Now just you find the perimeter. The perimeter of this triangle is A plus B plus C. This is the perimeter of this triangle. Now to find the formula of area of the triangle by using the Heron's formula, the great mathematician Heron's, just you find the semi-perimeter. Okay. What is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter is just write your small s. This is represented as small s, and semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. The semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C by 2. This is called the semi-perimeter. From this, I just use this semi-perimeter, find the area of the triangle. Now the area of the triangle, I just write the name of the triangle is ABC. Then the area of the triangle is, ABC is by using the Heron's formula, just you write under root S into S minus A into S minus B and S minus C square unit. Square centimeter, I just take here centimeter, square centimeter. You must write square unit. Area is always square unit. Okay, this is the Heron's formula. This is the area of the triangle known as Heron's formula, where S is the semi-perimeter. Perimeter is what? The addition of the three sides of the triangle is called the perimeter of triangle. And the semi-perimeter is what? A plus B plus C by 2. Then using this semi-perimeter, the area of the triangle is become S into under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. You must give square unit, or I just take here centimeter. That's why square centimeter. Now I just give an example and of this result. Using this result, I just take some few example and you find the area of the triangle. Okay. Before going to the next part of the video, you just pause it and write it. Okay. The formula you must write in your copy. Take an example under this formula, Heron's formula. Okay. Now I take find the area of a triangle whose sides are 40 meter, 24 meter, 32 meter. Okay. Now I find the area of the answer right here. The area of the triangle. Here I just draw. When you do the mensuration, you have to draw the figure. This is 40 meter. This is 32 meter, and this is 24 meter. Now I find the area of triangle ABC is, and first you find, and just I write the formula first, S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C square unit. Okay. Here S is 24 plus 40 plus 32 by 2, the same perimeter. Just you do the addition here, 6 and then 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, this is 9 by 2, then 4 2s are 8 and 48 centimeter, 48 meter. Okay, then this is 6 and 4 plus 3 7 plus 2 9. Okay, now just you find the area of the triangle. Area you can write a symbol, use this symbol also. Now here is 48. Now 48 minus 24, 48 minus 40 and 48 minus 32. Here write 48, 24, 8 and here 16 square meter. Okay, just you look at how I do the square root. This is very important. In this chapter, how find the square root, this is basic, very important. Now I write here also 48 means 24 to the 48 and 24 also here, and 8 means 4 to the 8 and 16 you just write here. Okay, now 24 under the square root 24 you just find here outside here 24 and here 2 and 2 you take 1 2 here and then 4, so under root 4 is square root of 4 is 2 and under root 16 is 4. Okay, then you just do the multiplication and you get the result of the area of this triangle. Then you find the area of the triangle. Okay, here just I give a star mark and write here also. Then this is the multiplication, 4 to the 24 to the 48. The area is become 48 into then 4 to the 8. Just you do the multiply, 8 8s are 64, 4 and 6 carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 is 32 plus 6 is 38. Okay, square meter, or you can write meter square. This is the result. This is the 384 is the area of this triangle. 384 meter square is the area of the given triangle whose side is 24 meter, 40 meter and 32 meter. Using the Heron's formula, just find the area of the triangle like this process. The Heron's formula is easy, all are easy. Just main thing is how to do the square root. This is very important. Just you divide these numbers. You just divide by prime factorization, not prime factorization. You just divide right 48 right into 2 factors. Just you take the common. You just take a common. You just find the 48 is divisible by which number? 24 2s are, because why I take 24? Because 124 present here. That's why under root 24 into 24 is 24. This is very easy. And now you just convert 8 to 4 2s are 8. Here why I take 4? Because I know the under root 4 is 2 and 2 is present here and 2 is present here. You just take 1 2 from both 2. Under root 2 into 2 means 2 and 16 is present here. All of you know this under root square root of 16 is 4. Okay. Now just calculation and then get the result area of the triangle. Now I discuss this sum. Before going to the next part, you just write in your copy and then I discuss this sum also. Okay, now I discuss another example under the Heron's formula. The side of the triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. Find its area. Okay. Now I discuss this one here. Just I draw an triangle. Give the name also ABC. Okay, the ratio of the side is 3:5:7. Then I take the side is, the ratio of the side is 3:5:7. Then the side is become, when you convert to ratio, convert to the number, you just take a constant term. This is 3x. I take here 3x. The side is become like this. Then you find the x. Then you multiply it by this. Then you get the side. Okay. Here the perimeter is given 300. Then the perimeter is what? 3x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 300. Here. Then the addition of this is 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. X is equal to 300. Then x is become 300 by 15. Then this is 20. Now the side is become what? I write here the side is become 3 into 20. This is 60. 5 into 20. This is 100. Then a meter I take here. Then 7 into 20. This is 140 meter. Then I find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is given here. Semi-perimeter is by 2. Then this is 150. Then you will find the area of the triangle. Under root S. Always you write the formula. Then you put the value. If you write the formula, then you get 1 mark. This is board strategy. If you write the formula, then you will get 1 mark for the formula. Then you put the result. Okay. This is just you write square meter. I take here meter. Then this is 150. Then 150 minus, for the side is become 60. And 150 minus 100. And then 150 minus 140 square meter. Then 150 into, subtraction here, 90 into 50 into 10. We write 15 into 10, 9 into 10, 5 into 10, and 10 is present here. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. Under root 4 tens means outside and root is 2 10. Okay. And 3 is become, 9 is become 3. And here also 15 means 5 3s are 15. And 1 5 is almost present here. Then this is 100, 300. And 1 5 come out. And this is under root 3. This is 1 3 5 is 15 under root 3. Okay. This is square meter. This is the area of the triangle whose side is become 60 meter, 100 meter and 140 meter. Now before going to the next part of the video, you just pause it and write it down. This is very, very important sum under the Heron's formula. Now I discuss another example under the Heron's formula. Okay, now I take another example, which is a path in the shape of quadrilateral ABCD has C is 90 degree. Okay, here C is 90 degree. Not another angle 90. C is 90 degree. Here A, B, C, D. C is 90 degree. And AB is 9 meter. BC is 12 meter. CD is 5 meter. AD is 8 meter. Now, how much area does occupy the quadrilateral? How is it possible to find? Just you draw the diagonal of the quadrilateral. Okay, now solve. The answer is here. First drawing key, draw a diagonal. A diagonal DB. And I just find the area of the quadrilateral. I find the area of this triangle and area of this triangle. Okay, understood? Then I just do the addition. Then you get the area occupied by the quadrilateral. First you find the area of this triangle. Okay, now just you you find the first. I find the area of triangle CBD. This is, all of you know that this is I think so in class 8 you know the area of the general formula of area of the triangle is half base into height. Here base is 12 and height is 5 centimeter. Why I take this is height? Because this is 90 degree. 90 degree always height. Then half base into height is here like this. This is 6. 6 5 is 30. 30 meter square is the area of triangle CBD. Now I find area of triangle ABD. When I find the area of the triangle, this is a scaling triangle also. Here is 8 meter and here is 9 meter. I just find the side of BD. BD side find, how is it possible? Because this is the right angle triangle and DB is the hypotenuse. Then DB square is equal to base square CB square. All of you know the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. I use here, and the base is what? 12 square. The base is 12. Then CD is what? CD is 5 square. Then 144 and 25. The result is 169. Then DB is under root 169 is 13. The under root yes. Now hypotenuse is 13 meter. Now I discuss the area. When you find the area of this triangle, just to find the perimeter of this, then perimeter is 13 plus, this is 13 plus 9 plus 8. This is perimeter 13 plus 9 plus 8. Perimeter of triangle ABD. Perimeter of triangle ABD. Okay, which is 13 plus 9. This is 13 plus 9 plus 8. This is just to do the addition. 18 plus 9 is 17 plus 13 is 30. Then semi-perimeter is 30 by 2. This is 15. Now I find the area under root. This is 15. Just to write here 15 into 15 minus 13. 15 minus 9 and 15 minus 8. And then 15, then 2, then here 9, 8, 9 and then this is 6, huh? Yes, 6 and then 7. Okay, now I do the addition correctly. Yes, now 6 and then yes, now okay. You just do this one. Break this 15 by 3 5s are, then 2, then 3 2s are, and then 7 also. Then here you just find 3 2, you find 1 2, and you just take 1 2 and 1 3, and here is under root 35. Then the area of the quadrilateral is area of quadrilateral. Just to give the sign quadrilateral like this, or like this also quadrilateral ABCD. This is area of BCD plus area of triangle BAD also, and the area of triangle is what? Area of triangle BCD or CBD, whatever be, this is 30, and another BAD is what? Just BAD or ABD is what? This is 6 under root 35. Just do calculation, do the calculation, and then you get the result. Just you calculate under root 35. If you don't want to find the under root 35, you just leave it. This is the also result. You just leave it here, 30 plus 6 under root 35 square meter. You can write also like this. If you want to find under root 35, you can also. Okay. Then the answer is like this, 65.5 meter square. This is the answer of the quadrilateral. How is it possible to find? First you take the area of this triangle and this area of this triangle, then merge it, plus it. If you want the area of the triangle using the Heron's formula, you can. Because you know this is 13, this is 12, this is 5. You can also find using the Heron's formula. Yes, this is very easy for me. That's why I use this formula. You can also find using the Heron's formula by find the area. Okay. Now that's all for today. I just discussed the Heron's formula by find the area of the triangle by using the Heron formula. That's all. You just going to the next part of the video just to write this. These three sums are very, very important sums. That's why I discuss in this class. That's all for today. And if you like my video, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please press the bell icon for get the further notification. To get the further notification. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Okay, that's all for today.